have the smallest woodpecker eating from my feeder. He's so adorable. These woodpeckers are the tiniest ones, just barely bigger than the finch. But you can see a little red cap on the top, on the head. Of course, he must have been hungry. And just like that, he's done. I don't know if you can see, but on the flat plate, you can see the little red dot on the bird. That's actually a woodpecker. I did not expect woodpeckers to eat from the plates, but it seems to be enjoying it. There is always a lot of activity there, and there is the blue jay. They have the water, and of course the finches. There is a rose finch on the plate, and the house finch on the tube.